What if? Lights. Let's get cracking. Well, I've had a number of requests to do another Terminator theme build, so a recent gift from Jake has given me the perfect excuse to brush up on my soldering skills and try out a couple of new products. Here's a little tip for you. If your drill chuck won't hold small cable, just attach a crocodile clip. It works great. For this project, I don't want any blocking of the LED lights, so we're going to be trying out this UV activated resin. It cures fast and is crystal clear. All you need is a UV light source and a steady hand. Lots of cable pulling, but with the wires twisted, this job is pretty easy. The base is leftovers from a previous project. I've cut out the recess to house the battery pack and some other components. As we all know, every self-respecting T800 needs to have a skull wall as a base. So we're going to be trying out this new Polycraft 2-pad silicone mold juice. And I must say, it's awesome stuff. This was cast yesterday and cured overnight. All the sides were hot glued and is ready for demoulding. I've been told that rubbing alcohol is good for the removal of hot glue, so we'll give it a go. And I have to say, it certainly helps the process. Just a little bit of cleanup and there you have it. A lovely amount of detail with this product, I must say. A little bit of baby powder as a mould release. So we're going to be using Hercolite No. 2 plaster for this project. It's easy to mix with water, relatively cheap, sets up in about 30 minutes, so it's great if you're making multiple pours. Not quite that fast. A smashing amount of detail on this stuff. Great product. And there you have it. There's our skull wall all ready for first coat of primer, seal everything in, make sure everything's nice and dry, and then we'll crack on with the paint job. Once everything's glued up and painted. We're just going to give it a final coat with a black wash just to set everything off. And there you have it, a fun little project. Hope you enjoyed it. There's some stills at the end of the video, and once again, thanks for watching with me today, and I'll see you next time.